Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to get Qatar Airways Privilege card. So guys, open your Qatar Airways the official website and search for Privilege Club as you can see here. And after that, scroll down, scroll a little bit, you find this option guys, join now this club. After that, wait to loading this page guys, and you should be fill this information and to register your account to get your card. The first one is your email address and your password, and after that write your password again and click country code and your phone number and the title, your information minister, and the date of birthday, and you will live with a country, for example Algeria. And after that, click I'm not robot and agree for this term and condition. And this click submit or create account. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and share this video for more content. This is features guys after get your card and you have premium and gold membership tier.